So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn on dark theme on your Moomoo account in the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right, press on the Me icon, then scroll down to the bottom below app feedback where it says settings and press on that. And then where it says general, so three options down right here, it says general, press on that. Now for me right now, my theme is on follow system, but if you wanted to change this to dark theme, for instance, you can just press on dark theme just like this. And as you can tell, my theme now just turned to dark. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to turn on dark theme or how to turn on dark theme on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.